kapag laruan, mahirap.
Mahirap na.
I lock it. But soon it will come to I'm having a better display rack for this one. So actually it's over there. You can view it. It's binubuo na. So maybe in a week or two tapos na.
Yung rack na yun, sir. This rack. Alright.
So it's gonna serve, I think, if I'm not mistaken, almost 100 cars.
100 cars, alright. Alright.
Still looking for the time to finish everything up.
Sobra. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Gusto ko sana, sir, yung alam mo kilala. You wanna see doon sa harap. Okay, guys, punta lang kami doon sa harap. Okay guys, this is another Porsche car which is owned by, na sir, you own this one.
Yeah. Well, yeah, this is not for sale.
Okay, yan.
Let me clarify, this car is not for sale.
And not a client's car.
This is my project. I have a lot of stories about, when I built this car. This was the first Porsche that I said, realistically, back in the day when I was in college, I saw this up because I want to have one then. That day eventually came, so I restored it from ground up. This was This was in a barbecue.
Yeah.
Everything was removed. Everything was changed. The carpet, the underbelly was scraped, primed to this color. This is a change to. This is a Porsche PTS color. It's called the Signal Yellow.
Signal Yellow.
So yeah. Then we had to source everything. The body kit. It's a Tech Art body kit, but since it's a couple of years old already, it's almost 30 years old. So we had to source. I think this, if I'm not mistaken, I got the front chin spoiler from Australia. The side skirts in the rear. The side skirts was from the. The side skirts was from the US.
Okay.
Then the diffuser and that was so. The spoiler is from Canada. It's a company. I forgot the name of the company, but they do the spoilers for that one. Exhaust is from Super Sprint.
Okay.
It's a full exhaust. So we tried to change everything, even the emblems, the taillights. Now the roof was changed. The roof fabric was changed. The windshield was replaced kasi may mga wiper, para wala ng wiper marks.
Okay.
I mean, it's old. So if you check out the interior, we also modified it.
Wow. And sir, may I?
Yeah, sure, please. So, we're using Recaro Sportster CS for this one. Race Eng na shifter handle, tapos Ben Auto Designs na short shift cables, tapos quick release, even the gauges we changed. So it's
a touch of Mr. Wendell na talaga.
So it was a long process, but it was a long process. So multiple like the
sir, you did this on your shop also?
Yeah, we did this in a friend's shop. It started in 2020. Then we changed the color, then unti-unti iba-iba yung gumawa rin eh. Like the upholstery, I had my upholsterer do it. The sound system, I had Mickey Pascual of Mickey's Auto Sound did it. Yeah. For the Recaros, got it from Japan. But this is customized. So if you look at it, this was color keyed. Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
So we had it color matched.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. So tapos the seat belts also changed. So lahat ng pwede palitan, pinalitan na ng ilalim. Suspension. Sorry, unfortunately, you can see the wheels. So the wheels is this is PPE. So wheels, this is PPE. Full board, 3-piece. S20.
S20.
S20. Tapos the big brakes, very customized by WP Pro.
Okay.
Which so the The lug nuts are titanium for weight savings. We try to lose weight. I think for this car, we already lost around 120 pounds.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Pounds lang, hindi sa kilos.
Yes, sir.
Try to make it lightweight. It's not a fast car, but it's a fun car. So it's a well-balanced, it's a mid-engine, well-balanced. Ang goal dito is to use it as daily as possible.
Yeah. And Porsche is known to be...
Oh, they're really reliable.
Yes, sir.
Super reliable sila. So, yeah.
Alright.
They just, maintenance, change oil. Nothing really, the suspension is really good. But since this one, again, when I built this, I want it to be as brand new as possible. So how it came out from the factory, or how I imagine it to come out from the factory, you change everything, the suspension, this is using Bilstein PSS9 coilovers, adjustable camber arms, polyurethane mounts.
From the works. All the works, yeah.
So, yeah, the purpose is, it's hard to maintain, it's hard to do servicing on this car because the engine's in the middle.
Oh, yes, sir, yeah.
So there's no, you have to remove everything, or you have to bring down the engine to, so when we brought it down, pinalitan na namin lahat.
Lahat na,
Irons, bearings, the air water separators, everything.
Everything, yeah.
Hoses, the ignition coils, the spark plugs, lahat pinalitan.
Kumbaga, sir, it's like you're driving a brand new car.
Almost a brand new
Almost a brand new car.
At least how I imagined it back in 1997.
In brand new condition with your own preference and design and touch. Wow. And the color is nice.
Thank you.
Oo nga, sabi, nakwento nga ni sir that this Porsche, which I don't really, hindi ko akalain, na this saved the company pala. This particular Porsche.
In 1990, mid-90s, Porsche was already going bankrupt, and they needed a car that can be available, to be sold to the worldwide market, na can give revenue to the company.
Yes, sir.
The vital idea, because the 993, as nice as they are, were not selling as much as they wanted. So when they introduced it, this is a joint. Well, in a way, Toyota helped Porsche with this one. Because what Toyota did was they helped Porsche with the system to do what do you call this? Yung production line.
Production line, alright.
They did, and then the 996 came out. Then eventually Porsche already had enough capital revenue again to survive. Then when the first generation Cayennes arrived, na boost talaga yung market nila. So now, because of the Boxster and because of the Cayenne, we are seeing a lot of GT3 RSS and turbos and GT2s because this car saved the brand.
Oh. This one, this two.
Yeah, no, this is a second gen. This is a second gen Cayenne naman. So,
okay.
Yeah, this is my
with personal touch din, sir. No?
So this one,
yeah, okay. Very nice. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
This drives on a V6, eh?
Yeah, this is the base. So this is a Cayenne V6.
Okay.
Not much. The only modification I did for this one was the wheels.
The wheels and
the brakes.
I
changed the brakes from I used the brakes of the turbo model so that it's bigger. This is 390 mm.
Wow.
The stock was 365 or 370. The rear was 345. The front was 370. They changed it to 390. Well, not much, but I mean it's additional performance.
Oh yeah. And it adds more look
more
to
character,
it. Character to the car. Yeah, perfect.
So this is a Vorsteiner DFM 107 wheels. So, wow. Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Sobrang very inspiring Sir Wendell when it comes to cars and, sharing his knowledge with all the history of the cars and he owns and opening his garage to us. Sobrang thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Any advice, sir? People like me who wants to own a Porsche, what do we need to...
Just be patient.
Be patient. It will come.
It took me, it took a long while, but this is patient. I kept my eye on the price. So sabi ko, eventually I would own one, I would build one. And when I got this in 2019, back then it was 2019, didn't look like this, but now it's 2025. So
it looks still, or it looks anong pa rin.
we started doing the restoration 2020. To be honest with you, until now, I don't think I think it's already done. But
it never stop. Yeah.
So, yeah. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to display this into the Neo Classic.
Mm-hmm.
But let's see. Hopefully,
in the next show, yeah.
This one, you know, this was through passion build.
Okay.
It's maybe I would say
just the way you imagine it.
So I think Porsche AG or Porsche Germany would appreciate this when they see this, because we built this to every single bolt na kailangan talaga para kalipin. So, yeah.
Oh, definitely. We'll do a link. We'll try to link with Porsche Germany for this car to be, I mean, to be appreciated by Porsche, the people who build this car, and of course, the way Sir Wendell built it. Sobrang thank you. All right, sir, thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Sobrang thank you. It's really an honor. Thank you very much, and I hope you still continue to inspire generations like me, people who love cars, and those who wants to go into cars.
Definitely. Just again, just be patient.
Yes.
Just be patient. Keep your eye on the price. Work until you get there. I mean, everybody has something to aspire to.
Aspire to, yeah.
Just so happened, I came into cars long enough, so sabi ko to, wala nang bentahan to. Probably to my,
you'll pass it on.
Possible, yeah. If I can put this on the wall, I'll put it on the wall. Yeah,
this is your prized possession, sir.
This is my build.
Yeah.
Build talaga to.
It has a signature of Sir Wendell.
Sabi na, I mean, with how much time in airport and money put into the store, pwede tayo bumili ng mas modern na 911.
True. Yeah.
But, again, it's a build.
Yes. And you love this model.
I cannot quantify the amount that I wanted to pick, or I put into this.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So, all right. Sir Wendell, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. It's really a pleasure talaga hearing you and sharing all this, your business and your... Check out his Facebook page.
Yeah, we put social media links to the pages that we
Yes.
have 1826 Motoring,
Yes.
Level 10 Wheel Repair Specialist, Porsche Parts Express. So
if you need vintage cars, correct, sir? Just contact.
vintage. Actually, you wanna talk cars, let's talk.
Yes, sir. Sobra.
Marami tayong pag-usapan basta cars.
Sobra. Kung hindi lang talaga may lakad si sir o may ano pa, we'll talk until we are. Alright, JomSTVMedia here with Sir Wendell here at Quezon City. Thank you very much, sir. Have a great day. God bless.
Alright, thank you, sir.
More power to your shop and more customers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Alright.
God bless.
Get a 10% discount if you share, like, and subscribe to this channel.